Hello everybody, I'm Ace Ligon. Happy Wednesday. We are now on day 302 of my push-up challenge, which means that every day I am doing over 300 push-ups. I've only got 63 more days to go, and it is exhausting, but I'm committed to the bit. Shut up. Anyway, it's been raining heavily today, and it actually snowed a couple days ago, so it's really getting into the fall season. Anyway, I have nothing more to report, so I'm going to do my beans. That was a good spin. Peach or barf? Fabulous. And I think this is one of those. It's hard to tell them apart from the dead fish one. This one is strawberry banana smoothie. Alright. Well, I got the good flavor. Thank you all for watching. Peace out.